Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can know how many barcodes you want to get. You're supposed to get rather, because I know that was part of an issue I encountered when I started off really trying to figure out how many barcodes I need for my product. I'm just going to be breaking it down for you so you can have an idea of how many barcodes you need basically. So say for example, I want to sell this clock on Amazon, and then I also want to sell this 3-in-1 face product on Amazon. So now let me start with this clock. If I am selling this clock, as you can see, this is a red colored clock. Let me just open it up. This is a red colored clock. So if I was selling this red colored clock on Amazon, say I got 1,000 pieces of this red colored clock, I would need just one barcode for it, for this red colored clock. But say, okay, I decided to get a red colored clock, a blue colored clock, and a green colored clock. I will need different barcodes for the red colored clock, the blue colored clock, and the green colored clock. So therefore, I will need three barcodes for these colors. So I'm needing one barcode for green, one barcode for red, one barcode for the other color, basically. Now, this is a 3-in-1 item. I know there's yellow, purple, pink, but I am not selling this on Amazon as just one item. I am selling it like this as a set. So therefore, if I'm selling it as a set in one carton like this, in one packaging like this as a set, I do not need three barcodes. I need just one barcode since I am selling it as a set and I am not selling it individually. Why you will need one barcode for this? Because you are selling just this individually. Do you get? But if I'm selling it as a set, it will come as just one barcode. Now let's go to the terms for clothing. Say I wanted to sell this shirt on Amazon, and this is a large size, and then I'm selling the large size of this shirt, the medium size of this shirt, and the small size of this shirt. Now each of the sizes would have their own barcode. So let's say now I am selling 1,000 pieces of this shirt. So you're going 1,000 pieces of this shirt in large size. Now I am going to have one barcode for the large size. Now that one barcode can be used for the 1,000 pieces of this shirt in large size. Now for the medium size, I'll have to get a different barcode for the medium size, and I'm going to get a different barcode for the small size. Yes, they are the same shirt, but because they are different sizes, they will need different barcodes so that Amazon can tell that, okay, now this person is going to be this barcode represents the small size, this barcode represents the big size, this barcode represents the large size. Now if I'm selling this in different colors, say white, blue, and all of that, I am going to be getting a barcode for each of those colors. So basically that is how it works for Amazon. I'm also going to be taking you to my screen where I'm going to take you to the Amazon page so you can see exactly how they explain it on their own page. So come along with me. So now I'm just going to quickly run through this so you understand how you can calculate how many barcodes that you need so you do not make a mistake. Now from this image you see here, the first one says sizes. It has a small, medium, large. Now say you had 3 sizes that you wanted to sell. That means you're getting 3 different barcodes. One barcode for the small size, one barcode for the medium size, and one barcode for the large size. That's what it means. Now you have 3 different sizes and you have 3 different colors. You're also going to get different barcodes for each of these different colors because it makes it easier for Amazon to tell which product is which product. It makes it easier as well. So when your client orders, say, a medium size in pink or a medium size in red or a medium size in this, they can tell because the barcode is going to signify that, okay, these barcodes are for medium sizes in red. Do you understand? So let's say you have medium sizes in pink, that's a different barcode. Medium sizes in blue, a different barcode. Medium sizes in purple, a different barcode, basically. So that's what this means. And now say you have 3 different styles. So here you can see it has the short sleeve, the long sleeve, the medium length. Yes. So now there are 3 different styles, so they don't mix up. You're getting 3 different barcodes as well for these 3 different styles as well. Now, in terms of packaging, say, okay, there's a 1-piece, there's a 2-piece, there's a 3-piece set. Now, for the 1-piece set is 1 barcode. For the 2-piece set, it's not 2 barcode because it's a set. It's a 2-piece set that comes together in one packaging. So that is 1 barcode, not 2 barcodes. It's a set, so it's 1 barcode. Then for the 3-piece set, it's not 3 barcode because it's a piece set. It's a set. It comes together as one. So that is 1 barcode. So basically, somebody had 3 different sizes, 3 different colors, 3 different styles, 3 different packages. Basically, into getting 81 barcodes. So that is how this works basically. And then it also explains here a bit more, so you can take a look at that in your free time and read it to understand a bit better. However, if you're not sure how many barcodes you need, you can leave a comment down below letting me know what you want, so then I could be of help. If that's okay, then you can leave a message, you can leave a comment in the description down below, and I'll be there to respond to you as soon as I can.